I've explained what we mean by the great circle and the small circle. So, and when you have a polar axis, I've showed you the polar axis. So let me explain what we mean by the line of latitude and longitude. So if this is a circle, you know, in this, if this is a sphere, sorry, I have my polar axis, that white thing that I showed you just now, my polar axis, and I have my meridian, or you call it Greenwich meridian. So now, and I have my what? Equator. Don't forget, the equator is what? It is zeros of latitude. That is the center of that what? Of the great circle, which cross section is what? A circle. So we have the equator. Now, if this is the equator, you can see this is the north, this is the south, this is the west, and this is the east. Now, latitude is formed on what? The north and the south. So from here, I have my latitude. So these are the lines of latitude. It calls the plane, lines of latitude, lines of latitude. And all these, you can see, they are what? They are small circle. The lines of latitude called the equator. The lines of latitude that cut the circle at the equator is called zeros of what you call latitude. Do you get that now? 0 degree. So I have another one here. So all this line, they are called what? The lines of latitude. Do you get that now? They are called lines of what? Latitude. Now, this is called, this line here is called the prime meridian, or you call it Greenwich meridian. So let's look at the lines of longitude. The lines of longitude. So you can see on my east, lines of longitude are formed on the west and east. Now, you can see I'm using a black marker. This is what? The lines of longitude, and all lines of longitude are also great circle. Lines of longitude, you can see it's like the same 0 to 180 degree. This is from the meridian. We have 0 to 180 degree. Lines of longitude. So the next thing I'm going to show you is, so let me label it. This is called the lines of longitude. So you can see the objective so far. We can describe the earth. You can see the earth is fair in shape. The earth is fair. So you can see on the world map, you have it, and you can locate your country. Very tiny Nigeria. Are you getting it now? So it's spherical in shape. Then also we have been able to differentiate the great circle and the small circle. This is a great circle, while all these are small circle. You see, small circle, small circle, small circle. So, and the cross section is what? A circle. So also we have been able to identify the lines of latitude. Lines of latitude are formed on the north and the south, and lines of longitude are formed on the west and the east. Are you getting it now? So that is what I want us to achieve today. So now, if this is equator, you can see this is a line that you can see here. If I'm showing you these oranges here, let me show you this orange. You can see this line here. This line you are seeing, which divides the orange into half. You can see this edge, but you cannot see the edge, the other edge. The other edge is the one I'm putting in dotted line. Whereby, if this is the center of the circle, we have what we call the radius. And the radius of a great circle is always 6,370 kilometers. So you can ask to use 6,400 kilometers. depending on what you are given in the question. So, but the radius of the earth is 6,370 kilometer. Do you get that now? That's the radius of the earth. Now, let me send this.